Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Unicows Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. Before the technical guide for Unicows Library, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Unicows Library, the Microsoft layer for Unicode, MSLU. It allows Unicode applications to run on legacy, non-Unicode operating systems like Windows 98 and ME. While obsolete, it is still a dependency for legacy industrial software that must maintain backward compatibility. If missing, specialized old-world apps will fail with Unicode entry point not found on modern kernels. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official System File Checker tool, run sfc/scan now in an administrator CMD to ensure Unicows Library DLL is restored to its original verified state. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Unicows Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Unicows Library. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and Unicows Library synchronization. If you've regained access to Unicows Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.